しように触れるくらいばらまく安心気づけば当人この世に生まれた君がねパチモンでもいい何でもいい今君とな吹いてる全て欲しいけど脈から I love you が吹き出て I miss out
Iris out. Oh my god. Whoa, what's happening in your heart, buddy? Yeah, that heart has eyeballs. He looks extremely drained and stressed out. Like, he just is not sleeping a lot. And now, you know, he's not sleeping at all, actually. Forget a lot. He's not sleeping at all. But then he gets hypnotized. And to take this spiral and turn it into the iris of an eyeball. It's fantastic transition. Fantastic.
Wake up, 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 wake up.